Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving your code permission to hear audio. In JJS, run Navigator, Media Devices. Get user media, audio, true, and handle the promise. This asks the user for mic access. Once done, create an audio context and attach a media stream audio source node to the granted stream so you can process raw audio. Make sure to handle denied permission gracefully so the UI can inform the user. These steps set up the input pipeline you'll record from and explain why permissions and an audio context are necessary. Next, collect and convert audio data for storage. Create a script processor node, or, preferably, an audio worklet to receive PCM buffers in real time. This prevents UI jank. Once you afloat 32 arrays, convert them to 16-bit PCM and append to a buffer. You can either build a WAV header and concatenate chunks for a downloadable file, or, if available, prefer Media Recorder to produce compressed blobs directly. Make sure to manage memory by releasing buffers and tracking durations to avoid runaway allocations. Finish by turning buffered bytes into a usable file and cleaning up. Create a blob with the proper MIME type and a URL for playback or a downloadable link. Revoke the URL when finished. Stop all media stream tracks, close the audio context, and terminate any workers to free resources. If recording is silent, check that microphone permission was granted, ensure sample rates match between context and encoding, and verify the OS or browser isn't muted. These final steps complete the recorder and give one key way to troubleshoot problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.